Today marked the start of the 7th week of our trial against Donald Trump, the Trump Organization, and other defendants, and the first day of their attempt to defend their family fraud. Their first witness was Donald Trump Jr., who took the stand to talk about his dad's business. But rather than respond to any legal claim against him and his family, or address the substantial evidence against them, Donald Trump Jr. spent his entire time on the stand talking through pictures of Trump properties. In his sales pitch, Donald Trump Jr. described his father as a real estate artist. He described Trump golf courses as crown jewels. He showed us pictures of apartment building lobbies. He called Mar-a-Lago an American castle, and he even said that no one was putting gyms in apartment buildings before his father did. And after spending a full day walking through a marketing presentation to sell us all on the greatness of the Trump Organization, the defendants still did not make a single point to refute the case we brought against them. This is a courtroom, not a boardroom. The Trumps can try to impress and distract with glossy pictures of golf courses and glowing descriptions of condominium towers, but we all know the facts of this case, and the facts don't lie. Concluded another day of our trial against Donald Trump, the Trump Organization, and other defendants, and the second day of their attempts to defend their family fraud. Today, the defendants called 2 of their expert witnesses to testify. The first one is a real estate developer who is not a real expert on the issues involved in this case. But he and Donald Trump have been friends for a long time, and he's donated more than $2 million to support Trump's political campaigns. Most of his testimony was irrelevant. And he never even reviewed Donald Trump's fraudulent statements of financial condition, the central subjects of this case. The defendants next called an accountant to the stand. His testimony consisted of a lengthy review of accounting standards. But when the judge asked for real-world examples of his experience, he could not provide a single one. Time and time again, we have shown that Donald Trump and the defendants live in a fantasy world, a world where the truth doesn't matter and the rules don't apply to them. That's why this case is so important, because no matter how rich or powerful you pretend to be, no one is above the law.